The potential benefits of flax seeds. What are flax seeds? Flax, also known as linseed, is a food and fiber crop cultivated in cooler regions around the world. It is a superfood, and also the textile from flax is known in the West as linen. 5 benefits of flax seeds. Number 1. Fiber. Flax seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Thanks to flax seeds' fiber content, consuming flax aids in regularity, reducing the risk of constipation. It feeds beneficial bacteria and promotes good gut health. Number 2. Omega-3. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids. This is beneficial to heart health because the majority of the polyunsaturated fat contained in flax is in the form of an essential fatty acid known as ALA, alpha-linoleic acid. Even though the conversion rate is low, ALA is a precursor to DHA and EPA. Number 3. Lignans. Flax seeds contain lignans. Flaxseed is the richest dietary source of lignans. Lignans have plant estrogen, anti-estrogen, and antioxidant qualities. Flaxseed contains 75 to 800 times more lignans than any other plant food. Lignans are phytonutrients that have both soluble and insoluble fiber. They're antioxidants that may also support the immune system. They aid in balancing hormone levels in the body for men and women, and they inhibit HSD enzyme, which help reduce levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Number 4. Protein. Flax seeds contain high-quality protein. 1 tablespoon contains over 1.3 grams of protein. Number 5. They're loaded with many nutrients. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, fiber, and protein, flax seeds contain other beneficial nutrients, including vitamin B1, B6, folate, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Tip number 1. They are tiny and easy to incorporate into a diet. To see some quick examples of how to add them into your diet, check out the description box below. Tip number 2. There are 2 sources of omega-3 fatty acids, marine and plant. For those who prefer to steer clear of animal sourced, flax seeds are an excellent source of healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Tip number 3. Flax seeds are housed in a tough shell. This protects the nutrients. It is best to consume ground flaxseed as your body will be able to have access and absorb all the beneficial properties. And it is easy to make ground flax seeds at home. Check out my quick how-to video. The link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you'd like to see some quick videos on how to incorporate flaxseed into your diet, check out the links in the description box below. Adios, ciao, bye.